Glenn and Linda driving a 1909 Case steam tractor, rated at 9 horsepower, 30 horsepower on the pulling. He's pulling his water wagon behind with the wood on top. So he's set for a full day's work. Keep her going, Glenn. There she goes. Now throw more wood in. That looks like pretty nice wood there, Glenn.
Hi. Hi.
Rosie, do you want to ride on the tractor with Uncle Garrett? See Uncle Garrett over there? You want to ride Uncle? I don't think she wants to. Little messy here.
Thanks, Glenn and Linda. Save a horse. Drive a tractor. Reason they're going. Gotta have choice. Big, small, noisy, quiet. Gotta have choice. Here's our raffle tractor, 1956 Ford 960. They were only built for 4 years, 3 or 4 years. Nice tractor, get your tickets. Raffling up today at 3 o'clock. Here we have Garrett. Driving a Ford 800. What year? Thanks, Garrett. Sammy's driving a 5610 Ford. This is a diesel. This tractor was designed to groom horse track racing tracks. So, you know, when they're racing the horses, that's why there's 4 station tires on there so they wouldn't run up the track. Goes pretty good in snow, too. Here we got Timmy Munson. He's driving a 1951 Oliver 77, weighs 5,500 pounds, 36 horsepower. Thanks, Timmy. Murray Smear is driving his 1949 John Deere Model M. Rated at 20 horsepower. Here we got Bob Miller of Mason driving his 1948 Farmall M. Driving his Farmall M. Rated at 40 horsepower. Here we got Rick Crossman driving his 1962 Oliver 770, rated at 50 horsepower. He's got the bucket and he's getting ready for winter, I guess. Jerry Anderson of Sanborn, driving his dad's 1957 Ferguson 40, rated at 30 horsepower.
Had that tractor a very long time. Thanks, Jerry. Ryan Brenneman is driving a 1951 Farmall C. This was our raffle, right? This was one of our raffles of previous years. Kyle is driving a 1948 Farmall M. Thanks, Kyle. We got Sawyer Peters is driving a 1960 John Deere 730, rated at 60 horsepower. Owner is Dave Brenneman. Here we got Melina Norton driving a 1949 John Deere B. Owner is Dave Brenneman, rated at 27 horsepower. Thank you for bringing that through the parade. Here we got Dave Brenneman. He's driving a 1958 John Deere 820. This tractor weighs 10,500 pounds, 76 horsepower. Isn't this great? Are you driving tractors? Give him a applause. Woo! Good to see him in the parade. Quinn is driving a 1948 Ford 8N. And doing a great job, too. Thanks, Quinn. Thank you. Here we got Leanna. Leanna Lipsky is driving a 1947 Oliver 60. Very nice. Thanks, Leanna. Wyatt is driving a 1950 John Deere Model R. This is a 2-cylinder diesel, 48 horsepower. Thank you. Steve Krause is driving his 1952 John Deere Model 50, 28 horsepower. And Gene by his side. Jill has her own tractor. Jill Krause driving a 1948 John Deere Model D, 38 horsepower. Thanks, Jill. Jeff Krause is driving a 1950 John Deere Model A. Model A, 38 horsepower. Thanks, Jeff. Brendan Krause is driving a 1944 John Deere Model B, 22 horsepower. Jerry Ray of Benoit area. He's driving his 1959 1959 John Deere 435. That has a General Motors diesel engine in that. 32 horsepower. Eugene Westland driving his John Deere H. 12 horsepower. Thanks, Eugene. He's owned this tractor for 70 years. Austin Krause is driving a John Deere Model A. Model A. Thanks, Austin. Dylan's driving a 1948 Farmall Model 340. Model 340. Thanks, Dylan. Isaac Tiff coming along here with a Toro dump truck. A sweet little ride. Thanks. Thanks, Isaac. Yep. Luke. Matt's driving a 1947 Allis Chalmers Model C. Model C. Another young driver here. Thanks for participating in the parade. Luke is driving his 1950 Allis Chalmers WD. David's driving his 1950 Farmall Super H. Thanks, David. From the Saxon area. George Koval is driving a 1951 Farmall H. Farmall H. Thanks, George, for everything you do for the show. Yep, thank you. Jeff Lickey from the Ironwood Way brought his 1929 Coupe Model L. Weighs at 6,000 pounds. 6,000 pounds. John is driving a 1953 Case DC4. Rated at 45 horsepower. Thanks, John. Mike Secord coming along here with a 1930 Allis Chalmers Model U. 1930. Thanks for bringing her to the show. Jacob Swanson is driving his Allis Chalmers 612, a 1920 model. Thanks, Jacob, for everything you do. Beautiful tractor. Hopefully we get to play in the field a little bit this afternoon with some of these. Here we got Robert Swanson driving a 1920 Allis Chalmers 2035. 1927 to 2035. It's Jacob's tractor also. Bob? Tom Stipetich driving his 1952 Ford 8N. Nice looking tractor. Here comes Garrett driving a 1935 Dodge Coupe. Where's the disc? You gotta check this drawbar out. This is unique. Big old crescent wrench on there. That's being creative. Thanks, Garrett. Timmy's driving 1953 all over 88 diesel, owned by Jeff Koval. 46 horsepower. Nice tractor, nice running tractor. 6-cylinder diesel. Yep. John's driving Claire's 1952 Co-op E2. Nice, beautiful tractor. Thanks, John, for driving that for Claire. Claire's back here. Carolyn's driving a 1957 Cockshut 20 Deluxe. 1920 Cockshut Deluxe. Excuse me. Got Justin Weiss here. He's driving a 1948 Co-op E3. Nicely redone. Looks beautiful. Thanks, Justin, for taking us through the parade. Here we got Lyle Anderson's driving a 1957 Cockshut Golden Arrow. This Golden Arrow was Charlie Util's. Thanks, Lyle. Cliff Util's driving a 1954 Co-op E5 diesel. Morning. Tom is driving a 1958 Cockshut 540, 26 horsepower. Here we have a 1937 John Deere Model B, general purpose tractor, driven by Mike Rackby. Well, thanks to everyone who drove in the parade, showing off your pride and joys. So, looks like that's the end. Thanks for sitting around and listening to me. And we got good food going on. We got